This video is where I go to school for HVAC. This section here that I'm showing is our commercial refrigeration section. Pretty good size, all kind of equipment. Everything is functional. We do work on it. Our instructors will bug the equipment, and we have to troubleshoot and fix to find out the problems. I got a couple walk-in coolers. This course is where we also obtain our 608 license. This here was basic refrigeration. This is when we first learned the concept of superheat, subcooling, metering devices, refrigerant evacuation, push-pull methods, vacuum, etc. This section here is our furnace section. Electric furnaces. Mainly they're all propane. We got Lennox, Trane, York, Goodman. We troubleshoot these. The instructors will bug them from bad gas valves, thermostats, bad boards, broken wires, etc. Got the 90%ers, 80s, and a couple of 60%ers also. We have a little section here coming up. Right here is our oil furnaces. This room is our AC and heat pump room. Again, equipment's all functional. We work on this, troubleshoot it from weak compressors, bad compressors, contactors, capacitors, second stage cooling not working, bad reversing valves, liquid line restrictions, undercharged, overcharged. We troubleshoot all the equipment that's bugged. After so long, we'll come in and have to troubleshoot, fix and repair, etc. This concludes the video of where I'm being educated at.